Hello everyone. For our second video for this week, make money online for beginners and everyone else. Easiest way to make money online without investment. What are you waiting for? Let's start. Number 1. Narrating audiobooks. If you really like reading books, this one fits for you. You just need to read them aloud and get paid for it. You don't really need a fancy microphone. All you need is your cell phone. This one is not only super fun but gives you the flexibility you're looking for. Freelance website like Upwork, Fiverr and ACX.com. Number 2. Create or resell products online. We all know that the world is full of online shopping. eBay and FB Marketplace is a great way to resell products. If you are really crafty, you can also try Etsy or make your own website. This is a great way to turn a hobby to a successful business. Number 3. Virtual assistant. This can range from anywhere from answering phone, answering emails, organizing files, scheduling, proofreading, editing videos, etc. If you are really good at organizing, or with additional tasks too, or if you're good at talking people, you can find some place that hires somebody to answer the phone. You can actually search on Google or Indeed.com for virtual assistant hiring for this job. Hey! Don't forget to like, subscribe and share to everyone. By the way, do you want to start your online money-making journey? Start now. We'll give a fresh start. Just copy the link below on your internet browser. We'll definitely wait for you. Number 4. YouTube Blog Manager. This job is for you. If you know the ins and outs of YouTube, or running a blog, this one is for you. So, you kinda need experience either YouTube, or a blog, but of course no need of a degree. Some YouTubers let other people do the video editing, editing blogs, uploading, making thumbnails, even responding to email. You are in charge of growing the YouTube channel, or the blog, and also understanding search engine optimization. So, your YouTube channel and blog is your resume for this. You can check out Fiverr or Upwork for this job. Number 5. Social Media Manager. Maybe you are super successful at Instagram or Facebook. You know the ins and outs of growing social media channels. This is perfect for you. So, maybe there's a YouTube channel out there, and they don't have a time, or don't really know how to grow a social media channel. So, that's how you would come in. The task might include editing pictures, helping come out with the content. You might be posting content, or trying to figure out how to grow that social media channel. Still, you can check out on Upwork, Fiverr and Indeed.com. Last, number 6. Transcribing. If you don't know what transcribing is, it's watching a video, and you turn that video into text. Typing while you're watching, typing down every single words that you hear and says. A reason might be that someone need a transcriber, is if they are YouTubers and they need to transcribe their videos. Some people also need transcribers, if they want to turn their videos into a blog. You can check out on Upwork, or you can Google transcribing jobs or Indeed.com. That's all for this week. If you like learning how to earn money online, then make sure you click that subscribe button. Thank you so much and see you next week.
Yeah.